Picture this. You've made a connection with your car shopping guest. You've found out their needs. You understand their interests. You've even established a little personal common ground. Everything seems to be clicking. Now fast forward to the presentation. You're walking around the vehicle. They're happy. They're all smiles. They get on a demonstration drive. Everything seems to be going perfect. In fact, as you're driving back to the store, you say to yourself, you know what? I think I've presented the perfect solution, and I think we're going to go seal a deal. So when you get back to the store, you get out of the car, you look at the guest, you say what you've always been taught to say, which is something along the lines of, folks, if we get the terms agreeable, is this the car you take home today? Well, all of a sudden your guest's excitement turns to anxiety. Their demeanor changes over to uncertainty. And all of a sudden you get hit with the dreaded, you know what? I think we're going to go home and think about it. Well, you start to panic. You're feeling the pressure. Your mind's scrambling. What do I say next? Stop. It doesn't have to be this way. In my workshop, Discover the Sales Secrets, Why No Holds the Key to Sales Success, you're going to find out why embracing no can help revolutionize your sales game. Because what it can do is eliminate objections from even happening in the first place, build more trust, keep you in rapport, which will help you sell more cars. I hope you join me for Discover the Sales Secrets to Why No Holds the Key to Sales Success.